Let me show you how I animated this logo. First, let me talk about the idea. So I wanted the logo to reflect the activities of the brand. To do this, I designed icons related to their work in the same style as the logo. Then I morphed those icons into the brand's logo. Now let's get into the animation. First, position the speaker and the first letter like this. Then create a keyframe on position like this. On the first keyframe, move the position like this. Go to the middle keyframe and move the position like this. Now let's set the speed graph. Highlight the keyframe like this and press function F9. Click this icon and it will take you to the graph editor. You should see this. Adjust the graphs like this. Double click on this middle keyframe and click on this. So this basically allows our animation to have a continuous movement. Click this to hide the graph editor. Now let's animate the scale properties of the speaker. Select the speaker and hold Shift, then click S to bring the scale property. Create a keyframe like this. Hold Shift plus R to bring up the rotation property. Set the first keyframe to 0. Go to the last keyframe and set it to 1. You need to make sure the speakers follow the direction of the curves. So let's adjust it like this. Open the graph editor and adjust the graphs like this. Take the player to the last keyframe, then click on the text layer and trim the length like this. Now we need to animate the scale of this A to give that squash and stretch look. Click S to bring up the scale properties. Unlink the scale properties like this. Set a keyframe like this. Go back one frame by holding Command and click the back arrow once. Set the scale like this. The reason why we are setting the scale like this is so we can maintain the same proportion for the speakers. Add this elastic expression, so this gives it a sort of bouncy effect, and you can get this plugin for free. Just comment plugin and I will send you a link to download it. Now you can adopt this style to the rest of the letters to have something like this. Save this video so you can always rewatch it. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section. I'm answering everyone. Also, I'm sharing this entire project file for free once my YouTube gets to 1000 subscribers. So subscribe.